Okay, having a problem with our Whirlpool washer, and model number on this is WFC7500VW2. Okay, the problem is that it comes up with an A09 code, which basically says that there's not enough water. Okay, I tried a couple of different things. At first I noticed that this little valve back here is this two solenoids. One is the bleach solenoid and one's for the cold water inlet, and this one is for the hot. Okay, so at first I was like, well, what the heck is going on, because we only use cold water. We're in a camper and we bought these used. We decided, okay, let's do this, and then we saw online where these were somewhat temperamental. I'm glad we didn't put them inside, because right off they leaked. The washer leaked. It's also pretty heavy due to the fact that this weight is actually concrete, and it's, you know, quite a big piece of concrete. So it's a pretty heavy machine. Anyway, after I ordered this valves from partdoctor.com, which I've used in the past and had great luck with, and I got a Whirlpool valve, connected it properly. So you can see that it goes from like C2 down there to C2. See, it goes down there, C2, C1, C1. Like, this kink isn't really it's a lot worse than what it looks. It's not really a kink. So tried it, still didn't work, and I was like, well, what the heck's going on? We checked the resistance and the wires, and the resistance are all the same. It comes back to this control board right in here. To get this top off, just to gain access to all this, there is 1, 2, 3 screws. Those screws right there, which go into basically here, and there. Push back, lift it off, and it's fine. What I'm going to demonstrate now is just to show you that it does work, and I actually fooled it, is what I did. Because if I put it on cold wash, it says A09, and I was wondering if it was water pressure. It wasn't water pressure. So what I did was, I said, to heck with this, I'm going to try something different. So what I did was, I went and took the hoses. I got a valve. So like I said, this is back behind the camper. So I put it into a Y and fed both sides. If I put this on a normal wash, and I put this on hot, let's push it home. About, I don't know, 4 minutes in, it would actually come up with the A09 code. On this washer, it is supposed to be an HE. We make our own laundry detergent, really simple and extremely inexpensive. So we just use that much per load, and then we put our own fragrance in it. My wife uses Young Living for oils, so we use different things for like the sheets and our clothing. And then in here she puts a couple of the dryer balls in here, and we do that. I'll tell you what the biggest help was in this, and what a lot of people don't know on this washer is there is a bottom panel. That bottom panel houses the clean out, which is right here, which you just basically take this panel off right here. It goes right here like this, and you push up from the bottom and bring this out. Okay, it has 1, 2, 3 little tabs, and then inside you will find this book in plastic, just like that, and it has all your codes. It explains to you how to get it into the diagnostic mode, what to look for and stuff. It's not perfect, but what helped and what led me to believe what my problem was using this schematic, because those are my 2 cold valves. if I rotate the wires, it has the same problem. There's my hot valve. If I put it on hot, it works just fine, even though it's cold water. And both of them go to this control unit here. And my resistance is good through here. My resistance is good through here. So I hope this helps somebody. I've heard stories that these washers are kind of problematic, but so far it's been okay. Once we got the water leak figured out, which basically what that was a loose clamp at the drain on the inside. That's kind of difficult. I'm not even sure if I can show you. It's the drain hose down there. I don't have my flashlight on me. Maybe I do. Not sure if I can show you. It's that gray, too much light, I think. So I can bleed off some of this light. It's the gray hose that's down there and it exits through the back. And that's where the problem lies, okay? So keep that cleaned out. Your little drain here. And make sure that's not clogged, because that's the first thing they always tell you to do. So make sure you have access to that. And I hope this helps somebody, because I'll tell you what, not having a washer and going to the laundromat truly sucks. Thank you.